like a boss.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Alex from mindfulattraction.org coming to you from Germany. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to text a guy, how a guys text when they like you, right? I'm going to be showing you guys how do guys text you when they really like you. And my perspective is unique because I'm a guy, I teach guys the extreme, how to completely really not show interest, but at the same time how to show interest, right? So these are things that I know that if a guy does this, even though they watch my channel, they'll do this because this is what I do when I like a girl. I sometimes break my rules, all right? And it's something that just happens. So I'm gonna tell you what this is, and I can promise you, this usually means they like you, all right? And so, by the way, people, I'm going to Mexico for a seminar. If you're Spanish and you live in Mexico, click on the link below. It's a free seminar in Mexico. It's gonna be in 2 weeks. It's gonna be on the weekend, not this weekend, but the other weekend. So go to Mexico. All right. So the first one is this. They initiate contact, all right? That's the first one. Now, mind you, they do initiate contact, but what I'm saying is that they initiate contact. That's the first thing. If a guy does not initiate contact, he does not like you, all right? This doesn't mean that this is like the end all be all, you know what I'm saying? But what I am saying is that if you don't see this, he don't like you. But if you see this, he does like you. But this is the basis of it, right? The second one is he responds fast. Now, you got to realize that people have jobs, right? So they're gonna come moments when he doesn't respond, but when he does respond consecutively, he responds fast. Or during the weekend when he's not working, he responds a little fast, right? So that's what I'm saying. And the fast is 5 minutes, 10, 15, or even instantly. The point is that he responds fast, right? Now people realize that sometimes people watch videos, and so they don't respond fast, and you think they don't like you. No, they're just using strategies. Don't fucking pay attention to that, all right? 1 second, let me change this. All right, don't pay attention to that. That's just, it's just the age. I'm sorry, I'm like holding my notebook. Sorry. It's just the age that we live in, right? So even if it takes a long time to respond, don't worry about it. That doesn't mean he doesn't like you. But what you'll notice is that he'll respond fast from time to time, right? But again, it really doesn't that does matter, but it doesn't nowadays, right? Because guys are catching up with the strategy that you guys been using for many years, all right? So yeah, the game has ended for you ladies. All right, so no, it hasn't. I'm here. So the next one is unless he works, he don't do maybes, right? When you first of all, you don't have to ask him to hang out. He's the one that asks you to hang out, right? And he never gives you maybes. All of his answers are straightforward, right? So the thing is that if he does give you a maybe, he'll give you an explanation. But let me tell you something, man. When a guy likes you, there's barely any maybes. And if a guy ever sends you a maybe, just send him a question mark, maybe? Like, maybe with a question mark so that he could explain what the fuck you mean by maybe, because you never accept maybes, all right? Now, the next one is that he sends random text messages, right? Random text messages, like just throughout the day, sending pictures about his day, what's going on and stuff like that, right? If he doesn't do that, then you're not really on his mind, okay? Now, the next one, so we got he initiates contact, he responds fast, he doesn't do maybes, right? He sends random text messages, all right? Now, what's another thing that I do? Well, obviously there's LOLs and ha-has, but the problem is that if they watch my channel, he won't do that. But the thing is, sometimes also, guys who don't like you send LOLs and ha-has, right? So, but initially, man, the other side of it is that when he doesn't like you, right, you are the one who initiates the dates, right? So when he does like you, he initiates the dates. Also, when he does like you, he sends good morning text messages, right? He sends you good morning text almost every day, okay? And that's pretty much it. Look, man, the thing is that if you don't see this, this matters more if you don't see this more than seeing this. See what I'm saying? Because sometimes people do this, and that don't mean they like you. That don't mean they like you, But if you do see this, he's on the right path, and that means that I don't play games with you. But as soon as you start pulling away from me, moo boo, we moonwalking our ass back, right? So yeah, ladies, this is how you do it, man. They initiate contact, they respond fast. Unless he works, he doesn't give you maybes. He sends random text messages throughout the day, and he sends good morning text messages, and he initiates the dates. All right. Now there are times when a guy backs off and doesn't initiate the date. It just means he wants you to put some goddamn effort. So if he does back off, take one step and then pull back. So that means that if he doesn't ask you out, ask him out the next week. And then you don't ask him out until he asks you out. It's a 50-50 thing. You know what I'm saying? All right, ladies, this is Alex from Mind for Attraction. Go to that seminar, all right? If you need one-on-one coaching, by the way, if you need it, holler at me. I have monthly coaching. All right, peace out.
All right, ladies. So this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want, because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is I'm giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. You know, it's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these three phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that. Specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your nonverbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post-honeymoon period, and again, is a short list of videos, because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's going to become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and all you got to do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos, stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, deterring manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right? And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. All right? See you guys inside.